Hello everyone, the Inazuma Warrior here, and today we're going to play Inazuma 11 to Blizzard. Yeah, and our name is going to be the Inazuma. We just formed Warrior, we're just waiting right now. Yeah, yeah. No, just the Warrior? No, just the Inazuma Warrior. And yeah, it's not going to go in there, so. So we do the Inazuma we just for warrior. Yeah. And yeah. I'm just going to play this game. And yeah, the aliens are going to invade the Earth. So just watching what's going to go right now. Just what they are going to do. There's just a comet just flying to Japan, and yeah. That's all what there is, yeah. Yeah. That just touched the earth, yeah. Yeah, almost there. Oh, it's my mom. So yeah, she is also in this game. Yeah, I played it. I played Firestorm. I didn't play Blizzard, but yeah. I think Blizzard is also cool, but most people just bought Firestorm for some reason. Maybe there is actually my favorite player is Sean Frost, so yeah. And yeah, don't eat too much. Mark, don't eat too much. If you're going to eat too much, you're going to be just fat, like Jack. Yeah. Jack's too fat. Yeah. I think he's the best defender, but he's so fat. Yeah. And now he just ate everything just so fast, and he's just going to run back. Yeah. And now we are in Mark Street. And what you doing, Mark? Why you do that? It's just a little cruel. So just don't do it. Just watch it. We're going to practice. They want the girlfriend to get trophy. They want it from yeah. Zeus. Why they're going to explain something to us. I hate it. Just go, yeah. Go faster, fast forward. Yeah. No, I don't like this. Yeah, I must do it good. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Going to Riverbank. I must go to our team because we 1 week earlier we won the trophy, so yeah, we're going to train again. That's just we're just going to we just found our rice ball. Just eat it. You're going to be so fat like Jay. Yeah. Just talking. Yeah. They're like, where's Axel? Or something like that. I just beat it. I just didn't read it. So. And 1 week earlier. Yeah, they won the trophy. And yeah, they're so proud of themselves. Everyone is going to hold it, and very proud. And then there's Jack. What's he going to do? Yeah, I'm so stupid. I'm going to go. Yeah, I'm going to let it fall. Yeah. He was just going backwards. He just bounced against Kevin and then just let that thing, like the trophy, fall down. Yeah, that's easy. Yeah, and there is Mark and Axel. Yeah, two best friends. Because Axel helped them to win. Yeah. But yeah, he's now going to talk with Granddad, who is dying. No, I don't want to spoil it. If you don't watch the anime, I watched from season 1 to season 6 right now. Now, I just watched it. From Mark to Arian to Galaxy. I watched it when it was ongoing, so yeah. And then there is Nelly, yeah, with the limo. So, just fast forwarding. It's better than listening to them. Yeah, and what's there in the sky? Yeah, it's just a comet. It's just going to, destroy or Raymond Junior High. Yeah, it's just going to explode. That, there. So yeah, wow, what's going on? Yeah, just go there. You saw it. You saw it's going to Raymond Junior High. And then there's Axel and his sister. And yeah, just a cutscene. And yeah, and then
Julia.
What's going on? Axel, yeah. Who says that? It's the sister. She just woke up from a coma. Do not cry. Do not cry, Axel. Don't you dare to cry. Don't you dare to cry. Do not cry. I'm going to cry right now. Just do not cry. Be manly. Be manly. Just don't cry, man. Oh, he's just crying. Julia? Yeah, you're just crying. But I should cry too. No, just I'm not gonna cry for this. It's just an anime. But yeah, it's cool. Yeah, I think this is incredible. Yeah, I think it's incredible too. Yeah. But it's the first time I'm going to. I just played it on an emulator. I played Firestorm and now I go to play Blizzard with you guys. This is episode 1, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And I was a week of something away from that, away from YouTube. I was like it was just school. So the last week it was just doing your best at school, so you are going to go grade up. You say it? Yeah, I think so. Just to go grade up. So yeah, I'm going to the third class. So, yeah. And yeah, there's Raymond Junior High. What's going on? Just watch with your eyes, mate. Just watch. Yeah, it's gone. Yeah. What happened here? Just watch it. You saw the comment and you're just asking what happened here. That's stupid, but yeah, it's a storyline, so I can take it. Yeah. And there are aliens. Yeah, there's just standing in there, just looking. The thing that is rare that they only are invading Japan right now. Only Japan, and not the other side of the world. Yeah. And then yeah. I can't play on the emulator, so this isn't going to be easy. So yeah, I'm going to play just the controls. I think the controls are not easy to do. So I'm going to watch if there are other controls or that. Just wait a second. Yep, I see that it's not going to be easy to do it with to control it to down or something or up. I'm going to set it with V, A, S, and D, and yeah. But now we're going to score. It's just easy to shoot. Just click on the goal and Dragon Crash. Yeah, and this is going to be easy to score, 100%. So yeah, just scored it. Just that was so easy. Yeah. And wait, where am I? This just the alien got him. Yeah. The alien just get them in their minds, yeah. And why didn't they get into Mark's minds or just Nathan's minds? Just why didn't they do that? No. Yeah, I don't know. Just yeah, this just a storyline or just a game. So it's and there are buckler or something. I don't know. I didn't see it. They're just the old Inazuma 11. And there is Mr. Fire Wall or something? Or Firewheel? Firewheel? Yeah. Yeah. And he's just going to explain what happened. And yeah. Yeah, just 2 balls or something, or 3 balls. Yeah. What on earth is going on? Look with your eyes, man. You got eyes from God. Oh, yeah. You just got eyes. Yeah, and just watch their 3 balls and they're going to destroy your school. Yeah. That was easy to say, yeah. Just if you look with your eyes, you can see it. And notes ask that question from what's going on? What's happening? What's happening on Earth? Yeah, they're just destroying Raymond Junior High and not another school right now. Yeah. And if there are aliens, then there's me more. And I want to destroy a school with football. Yeah. This is the best game ever. 10 out of 10. No, really. Just if I got a rating for this game from 5 star, really I would give 9. It's just yeah, 9 or 8.5. I didn't. This is the first time I play. Yeah, Blizzard. But yeah, this is like the end of the episode. So yeah, I'm going to stop in a few seconds. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode, this first episode from Inazuma 11 Blizzard, and yeah, it's just funny for me, just playing this. Yeah, guys, I think I see you guys later. Yeah, I see you guys later. Yeah, bye bye.